आपके पास सिंबल ना हो, you can contest as a party. If you were as a party without symbol, then you have to file your
मैं ये
nomination
फैक्चुअल
form
चीज आपको
for the
जवाब
reserve candidate.
फैक्चुअल चीज का जवाब दे दूं।
जी,
सुन्नी इत्तेहाद काउंसिल फाइल्ड नो लिस्ट फॉर रिजर्व सीट्स,
ठीक है,
ठीक, बिफोर द इलेक्शन।
ठीक है, वो तो उन्होंने कर ही नहीं सकते।
ठीक है,
ठीक है, ठीक है।
PTI filed lists for reserve seats within the election schedule, which is 22nd December 2023. They filed lists. Those lists were at the scrutiny stage not accepted by the Election Commission because the decision of the Election Commission denying them symbol had come.
ये आप सारे implications ले रहे हैं उस judgment में जहाँ के कोई ऐसा implication नहीं है. Either you read the actual language, because what I find very disconcerting is commenting on judgments which people don't even bother reading. Either read a paragraph which says this. You don't say I understood, then you understood wrongly, counsel. As simple as that.
मैंने नहीं कहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ इलेक्शन कमीशन ने उसकी वजह
इलेक्शन कमीशन पे भी वो भी समझ लें, वो भी गलत समझ सकते हैं ना। या आप कहें हर काम उनका सही होता है।
जजमेंट ऑफ द कोर्ट, सो इट हैज टू बी।
मैं ये नहीं कह रहा कि
आप अपने तौर पे तो नहीं बातें कि ये उसमें लिखा हुआ है, वो लिखा हुआ है।
मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैं कह रहा हूँ इलेक्शन कमीशन ने आपके सवाल।
We have to read that judgment. Speaking for myself, the inexorable logic of that judgment can lead only to this conclusion, that the election bat symbol is off the book. No one can get it. Full stop. Not for this general election 2024. That is the logic. Anything that deviates from this logic deviates from the judgment.
But at this stage,
now this was the problem that faced the candidate, this particular candidate, and all other candidates who, as per Form A of the parent statute, were nominees, candidates of PTI. What is the logic, that reasoning of Election Commission? Kindly come to para 12 at page 29. That is
Faisal Sahab, very strong views on logic of things are being expressed. We don't go by, at least the Supreme Court doesn't go by that. Supreme Court goes by the letter that is written in a particular judgment. We don't take an oath on the logic of the Constitution. We take an oath on the text of the Constitution and the law of Pakistan. Okay? Logic, my logic, I may think this is because of this. My brother's logic, maybe it is because of this. I'm not bound by that logic, nor by my own. I'm bound by the letter. As simple as that. If that is the view, fine, but it is being definitely expressed. We never go by actually the judgment is this, but the logic of the judgment is that. I've never come across this contention expressed before, and I would certainly, if it's being expressed by the full court, I want to clarify it. We go by the text of the written word.
If I may navigate between these two views,
Faisal, can I request you to proceed further?
आगे बढ़ें जनाब,
अपने सबमिशंस पे प्लीज आए।
आप प्लीज आगे चलें। Mr. Faisal, could you just move on?